Ma'am, the Hema Committee report says about compromise, adjustment, and casting couch. It is based on the victim statements. The harassment starts from the very inception. It is revealed from the statements of various witnesses who were examined before the committee that production controller or whoever gives an offer for role in cinema first approaches the woman or girl. Or if it is the other way, a woman approaches any person in cinema seeking a chance in cinema, she is told that she has to make adjustments and compromise to take her in cinema. The inappropriate advance towards you happened 15 years back.
If you talk to the hairdressers,
and the same thing existed.
Even if you talk to the hairdressers, they would tell you the same thing. Even the production controllers take the hairdressers. Whoever. There are so many people vying for the same job. So it's about personal relationship. It's about that extra league. Whoever goes the extra league to secure the job. So this is there everywhere. It is not alone in the film industry. It's there everywhere. And I would tell you something more. There are filmy mothers, filmy moms who push their daughters to in doing so. Can you imagine that? These are
it's beyond
moms.
imagination. It's beyond imagination, but there are such moms, and it's
These
mentioned in Hema Committee report as well.
Even people whom we respect and we don't know about, whom we had respected, whom we have kept in a pedestal. Since back then Hema Committee was not there, or any other committee was not there, these people we kind of adored. We worshipped these people. But if you actually, try to uncover, so many dirt would follow, so many people would be, unmasked. That's the truth.
Yeah, ma'am. But with this committee report that's in front of the government for the past 5 years, 4.5 years, and the committee report is out in public now, and the committee report clearly says compromise and adjustment are two terms which are very familiar among women in Malayalam film industry, and they are asked to make herself available for sex on demand. Was it a sex on demand?
I'll take one other name. I'll take one more name. I don't know whether he's still alive or not.
Okay.
Mr. Partho Ghosh, Hindi film director. Mr. Partho Ghosh, another bomb. I wasn't married back then. It was much before this incident. So he wanted to cast me against Govinda in a Hindi film. This happened after 100 days and Agni Pariksha or so. And he came to my place. I had an accident back then. He came to my place to see me, and then he told my father that I would like to narrate the script to her. And he invited me. He was in Kolkata. He invited me to Pialisin Hotel in Kolkata. So, we women are taught to take care of ourselves. So I insisted that I go along with my brother. So my brother, who was 5 years younger to me, I took my brother to see him. And he didn't narrate the script. We had a good dinner and I was sent back. Later he called me in the night and said that I thought he would come alone. If you're doing a film with me, we should know each other well. I pretended. We women are very good at acting, being naive, not understanding what he's hinting. So I said, yes, of course, sir. Parthuda, we'll definitely have a good relation once we start working. I pretended that I didn't understand what he's trying to implicate. So there are so many people, they have gotten away with it. There are so many people like that, ma'am.
So 15 years back, Ranjit behaved or misbehaved with you, and 15 years later, now, yesterday he says nothing happened.
Misbehaved, you can't say that. Misbehaved. He hasn't touched me in my private places, okay? He was playing with my bangles. He was playing with my hair. It was a very romantic, very filmy kind of a thing. But I was not comfortable. You can call it, there is a very thin margin between behaving not aptly or behaving otherwise. It's a very thin margin. You can't possibly say that
it's an inappropriate behavior.
Bangles or touching my... I felt that way.
You were not
I
friends.
felt
You were
that
not
way.
friends. You were not friends. You were not friends. You just met
No,
him at that
no.
place.
I just met him that day. I just met him that
Yeah.
day. You
And the
cannot-
same day- and-
you
and the
cannot
same day-
touch a woman without her consent. You cannot
Yeah.
touch a woman without her consent. Period. Full stop.
And he played with your bangles and he touched on your neck and hair. Now he denies nothing of that sort happened.
I can't prove him wrong. I just can't prove him wrong. He probably he liked me. That's the reason he thinks that this wasn't anything wrong. Probably he wanted some romantic something. I don't know what was playing inside his head. I mean, you name one person who would say that yes, I have done something wrong. Will any person say that if you bring a murderer or a rapist, will that person say, yes, I have killed a person or yes, I have murdered a person? Will anybody say? Will you say? क्यों?
Never.